Hey, good morning. This is Natalie. I just came from upstairs from brushing my teeth. Yeah, and right now, it's Sunday morning. So what I want to do is I was gonna clean the house, then cook some breakfast. Cause on a Sunday morning I get very bored. So I'm gonna clean my house. This is my house. It's the living room. This is my table. It's the kitchen. The fridge. So I just finished washing the dishes. Did all that right there. That too. So right now I'm gonna start making breakfast. I'm gonna make pancakes with some eggs. Well, I just finished cooking my eggs. That looks good right there. I'm done with my pancakes. And I put some aside for my mom. Now I'm gonna make a little egg sandwich for my dad. So I just finished making breakfast this morning. So yeah, I spent most of my morning in the kitchen. Now that I have all this free time to do, I'm gonna play some games and just relax. Well, after my afternoon chilling and playing games, now I was helping my dad out in the yard, and now I'm going to feed my dogs and feed them with water. Go. This is my backyard, and there go my dog right there. I'm gonna feed them some water, clean the whole yard up. Hey, Chippy. There go my two dogs, two favorite dogs. Aww. They already ate, so I'm just refilling their can of water. Hello, Blackie. Hello. You're a good boy. Well, this is my Sunday night. I just finished washing my clothes and finished watching a movie as well. So I'm going upstairs right now. I'm going to brush my teeth. Then I'm going to bed. I'm going to wake up tomorrow morning, go to school. Good night, world.